Hi, I'm Ruby, and me and Lily are going to be down in Buxton water, especially for our friend Liam Robbins. Liam, this is for you. Sorry, I was really tempted to do that. Right, so we haven't got the little bottles like Liam has. We've got like one big bottle and we have to pour it, and we're going to try and see if we can burp from Buxton. Buxton. Right, we're going to see how quick we can down.
Ready?
Cup. 3, 4.
2, 1, go. Done.
I've got loads left. This is warm. It's not cold, Buxton. I can't do it quick. I still haven't finished. It's really warm and disgusting. Oh! If you need to burp in here.
Wait there.
Oh. Did you fart?
That didn't really work, but...
Done. Did you burp yet?
I need to, but it won't come.
Can't do it.
I keep doing silent burps.
It's really sick in a minute.
Wait, I can't do it. I'm backed out of the contest, so I can't burp.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm not being able to burp. I can never burp.
That's fake. No fakes today. I learnt this from Liam today. Instead of Buxton water, you go Buxton water.
Alright,
Sound really weird.
So,
Liam, Buxton water. Sorry.
I can't do it anymore. Right then. So, turns out you can burp from Buxton.
Wait. To close the show with a big burp. No.